Hey, boys and girls. Hey, I was finishing this bike, and actually, this is CBR600, and I put new clutch here, and I was in a hurry to finish this engine. So what I did was put the cover, and before putting the cover, I put these two, the washer and this spring washer. And so since I was in a hurry, this is what happened. I put this right here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Put it right here instead of right here. I've been doing this forever. But I was in a hurry, and so there is no excuse. But um, so I put it right here. When I tried to start the engine didn't want to start. Obviously, because this was binding with the cover. It doesn't go there. It goes right here. So, boys and girls, learn from our mistakes. So, I hope if you put your clutch and you find that you cannot start the bike, started crying, but you can't start the bike. Don't forget, maybe you made the same mistake. Put this right here. Oh no! Oh no! No! This is very bad, man, because I've been doing this forever. So, hey, hope you learned something today. This is Pollo. Coo 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 coo.